What if the greatest discovery in human history is waiting for us, right next door, on the red planet Mars? Mars is a world of dust storms, frozen deserts, and silent canyons. For centuries, people have looked at this rusty red dot in the night sky and asked, could there be life there? Ancient astronomers thought they saw canals. Science fiction writers imagined Martian civilizations. But Mars is not just another planet. It is the planet in our solar system most similar to Earth, and perhaps the best candidate for discovering extraterrestrial life. For thousands of years, people have gazed at Mars with wonder. Ancient civilizations recorded Mars' strange red glow and named it after their war gods. However, as technology advanced, reality began to replace fantasy. The first space missions revealed not a planet teeming with cities and civilizations, but a barren, rocky desert world. Yet the mystery persisted. If Mars resembled Earth in so many ways, could life still be hidden somewhere beneath its dusty surface? Water is the most fundamental component of life. Evidence of water on Mars is found everywhere. Deep valleys and dried-up riverbeds indicate that rivers and large lakes once flowed on Mars billions of years ago. The Curiosity rover discovered ancient lake sediments and clay, which is evidence that liquid water once accumulated on the planet. Today, Mars is frozen and dry, but the polar ice caps still contain large amounts of water. The Phoenix lander confirmed the presence of water ice just below the Martian soil, and orbiters have detected traces of salty liquid water beneath the surface. If water once shaped Mars, then life may have followed in its wake. In recent years, scientists have discovered intriguing clues. Mysterious methane gas plumes are rising from the surface of Mars, and since methane can be produced by living microbes, this discovery has reignited debate. Curiosity has also discovered organic molecules, the chemical building blocks of life, within Martian rocks. Even more intriguing are the radar signals indicating the presence of salty water lakes underground. Could microbial life still be hiding there, protected from deadly radiation by layers of rock and ice? If so, Mars might not be a dead planet after all, but a world quietly teeming with life. Despite these clues, Mars is far from friendly. Its thin atmosphere cannot shield against cosmic radiation. Temperatures often drop below -100 degrees Celsius. Giant dust storms can cover the entire planet for weeks, blocking out the sun. And with no stable liquid water on the surface, survival is nearly impossible. If life exists on Mars today, it would have to be hidden deep underground, clinging to heat sources and tiny pockets of liquid water. Surface life, as we know it on Earth, would not survive. Still, people are determined to go. While NASA and ESA plan future manned space missions, SpaceX dreams of establishing a permanent settlement on Mars. However, colonization will not be easy. Astronauts will be exposed to deadly radiation, limited resources, and the challenge of producing oxygen, water, and food. And there is another concern. What if we carry Earth microbes to Mars before discovering life there? Could we contaminate the planet and destroy the evidence we are searching for? Even the discovery of a single microbe on Mars would transform science forever. It would prove that life is not unique to Earth, that biology can take root wherever conditions allow. If Mars hosted life independently, that means the universe may be teeming with countless other life forms across distant worlds. Finding life on Mars would be a second Genesis, evidence that life is not a miracle but a natural part of the cosmos. The implications would reach far beyond science, touching philosophy, religion, and our understanding of humanity's place in the universe. Mars is silent, but perhaps it is not lifeless. Every rover, every probe, every experiment brings us one step closer to the truth. One day, we may uncover undeniable evidence that life exists, or once existed on the red planet. Perhaps the real question is not, is there life on Mars, but when will we find it? Like and subscribe for more videos like this.